Yes. You're gonna have to come closer to say your fucking piece because no one will be able to hear you.
Right there?
Probably come a little closer, maybe.
On the dirt.
Bring him to the front here.
Well, when you drop, you'll be rolling around in it.
That's what I don't want.
That's a good effect.
That's gonna roll all the fucking
Right there, I guess.
You're gonna come get your nomination close because
Do you have to videotape me inside it though?
I got a picture.
Why is that going to work with a video?
You got the initial video. You gotta go. That's gonna fall on your head. Who knows?
Don't miss him, Tommy. What?
Check that bucket, eh? Before you put water in it. Yeah. Need your distance sorted or what?
Not yet.
Maybe he should do a little test.
Maybe a little lower, Tommy.
Yeah, lower. Otherwise, you should almost have a hard hat on.
No, it's fine.
Yeah? Maybe a pad in the front just to keep it forward.
I got these on.
Oh, he does the front.
Come, Tommy.
Okay, is that too high, you guys?
Maybe
No.
No! Whoa, whoa!
No, no, no!
Whoa, Tommy.
That's where you got to stand. Hi, driver, stand up! Oh.
Back up.
Not yet.
Closer, back up.
Wait!
Tommy, pull the trigger real quick.
Yeah, right there.
make sure you yell.
When? Name's Jeff Wilson. I'm doing my ALS Ice
Somebody
Bucket
count.
Challenge. My nominations are Kaylee Hilchey, Martin Bellefleur,
Fuck you!
and my cousin Keith Wilson. I'll donate tonight. I'll put some dollars towards it. And there's about 9,000 pounds of water, 4,300 liters. Took about an hour to fill up.